Pelicans, cormorants and other seabirds live on fish. Cape cormorants are the most numerous birds on the coast. At the start of the breeding season, they gather up any scraps they can find to cobble together simple nests. "100,000 nest here. Each pair will lay 3 to 5 eggs. They may rear only a single young, but that's still an incredible number in such a desolate place. And cormorants are only one of the species that breed here. Early in the southern summer, the winds blow their strongest, and the upwelling of the Benguela current is at its most vigorous. All the seabirds time their breeding to take advantage of the seasonal boom in the fish population. Cormorants and gannets nest on offshore islands. They're safer from ground predators than they would be on the mainland. They might have some protection from predators, but escaping the heat is impossible. The seas around may be close to freezing, but on land, the African sun can be burning hot. Seabirds aren't designed to live in a desert. The Cape gannets are lucky that their white feathers reflect heat, so they turn their backs to the sun to keep cool. Unfortunately, the cormorant's black plumage absorbs sunlight, so they cool down by panting to release heat. They also release something else that surprisingly protects other birds from the sun.